Hey guys, Logan from West Bend Dyno, and today we're talking about leveling your truck, specifically lifting the front to match the rear height. There are really two main reasons people do this. First, obviously looks. That factory rake where it's sitting like this just isn't for a lot of people. And second, it lets you fit a slightly larger tire without rubbing and cutting the bumper and all that stuff you have to deal with putting larger tires on a stock height truck. Get you a little more suspension travel. And there's a few ways to do that. So a few ways to level your truck really comes down to which one you want to choose and what budget you have for the truck. The first option is the cheapest way, and that's leveling spacers. So these are usually made from composite, steel, aluminum, all sorts of different materials, and they mount actually right on top of your factory strut. So if you see here, these three bolts, there's a spacer, usually about this thick or so, goes right on the top of your factory strut, pushes the strut down, and in turn lifts your front end. So these are great if you're looking for a budget-friendly, pretty simple install, and it's gonna give you a very close to factory ride feel. So the downside is you're still relying on your factory struts, so if your suspension is already worn, spacers aren't gonna fix that, and in some cases, it's actually gonna make it feel a lot worse. It's gonna amplify your problem. So next up is leveling struts, and this is usually the option we'd recommend for most people's daily drivers. So instead of spacing your stock suspension like the spacers do, these actually replace the factory struts with a slightly taller strut, which gives you your lift and a better shock at the same time. So you're going to improve your ride quality, you're going to have better handling and more control compared to stock without going full race truck. And the only downside is cost. It's a little more expensive than the spacers, and you just don't get the adjustability that you do with a little higher of a package with coilovers. But for a truck that sees mostly street use, this is the sweet spot. This is what a lot of guys do. Then you've got coilovers, which is the top tier option. These give you an adjustable ride height, the best ride quality out of the three, especially if you're off-roading or pushing the truck a little harder than normal. So coilovers let you really dial in how your truck sits, how it rides, and how it performs, which is really awesome, but they do cost quite a bit more than a lift strut or a lift spacer. And honestly, they're a lot of overkill for a daily driven truck. But if you want maximum performance, tuning flexibility, coilovers are definitely the best option for you. They're just gonna do so much more than you're ever gonna need them to do. So if you're just after the look on a budget, spacers definitely get the job done. It's gonna change the look of your truck completely, and you're probably gonna be very happy with it. And if you want a little bit better ride quality for your daily driver, the leveling struts are usually the best choice. And if you want performance and adjustability, coilovers are definitely where it's at. And if you're not sure what's right for your truck or your driving style, just reach out to us at 262-692-9035. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in leveling your truck, check out our website at westbenddyno.com for a bunch of deals on leveling kits.